Hello. If you're watching this, then that means you're a part of the summer class, and there's some stuff you need to know before we get going. First, I am your instructor, Stephen Counselor. I look like this, except older, because this was taken 6 years ago. This class is Composition 1, which means it's a writing class, which means, yes, you will be writing. But where is it? You may be wondering. We are in Clarabelle Williams Hall, room 229. It's on the second floor.
But that might change.
I'll let you know if we go somewhere else, but for now, that's where we are.
I mean, okay, but how do I actually get there?
It's downhill this far from the Corbett Center. It's also over here from the bookstore. It's also way down here from the Pan Am parking lot. Though I seriously hope you don't have to walk that far.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Yes, because now that you know where, you need to know when. It is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Yes, that is 2 hours. Yes, there will also be a break. No, we are not going to go nonstop the entire time.
But what days of the week is it?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Just kidding. There is no Friday class. Please do not show up in a Friday class. I will not be there. This is our Canvas homepage. Look at it. Love it. We will use it a lot. Our class is broken up into modules for each week that we're here. Each module will contain the assignments, readings, and other things that are due that week. Beginning with this. These are course schedules for a given week. Inside of them, you will see a breakdown for, well, the schedule for any given week of the class. This includes the assignments that are due, the readings on the days in which I expect you to have read them, and broadly what we will be doing in any given day of class. If you ever have questions about what we are doing on a given week, look at the schedule. The links to all of our readings, with the exception of those that are in Paideia, are listed on the course schedule. So if you are ever curious about what exactly we are going to be reading on a given week, and you need to figure out where to read it, check the reading schedule. It is all there, I promise.
Hey, it looks like there's something due on the first day of class. What's up with that?
Yes, there is a reading and an assignment that is due on the first day of class. This is a 5-week accelerated course. We are hitting the ground running. Given all that I've just said, please, now that the Canvas schedule is published, look at the readings, look at the assignments, and please let me know if you have any questions. The first readings are meant to be very easy. Collectively, they're together about 7 pages, and the questions are just there to get you to start thinking about them. We will discuss the readings on the first day of class, but I want you to have already gotten the ball rolling by then. For now, don't stress about anything. Just remember, 1. We meet at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. in Clarabelle Williams Hall, room 229. 2. Try to get your hands on the course textbook Paideia 19 as soon as you possibly can. We start reading it almost immediately. 3. Check Canvas. Look at the schedule. Make sure that you have done the readings and you've taken a crack at that first discussion post. 4. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. This one's a little scary. We right now have less than 10 people in our course, which I would be totally fine with. But per university policy, we have to have at least 10 people in the class. So if we start class and have less than 10, then our course might disappear. They might disband us. I want you to be aware of that. We might have all of this stuff lined up, but you may want to have a backup plan in case our class gets dissolved. 5. I get it. Not everybody is super excited about an English class. In fact, probably most of you aren't. But if you have problems, if you're struggling with something, if something doesn't make sense, if you're frustrated, you're angry, you're just having a bad day, let me know. I can't help you unless you ask me questions.
Okay.
That just about covers everything. I will see you all bright and early on Wednesday.